My laundry room floors went from this to this. I've been contemplating on what to do with the floor tiles in my home for over a year, and I'm so glad I found a solution thanks to Smartcret. They provide a ready-to-use micro cement kit that comes with everything you need to transform your floors. I started out by cleaning the floors and filling in the grout joints. Let that dry for 24 hours, then sanded it down for a smooth, even surface. I don't have a sander, but I attached the sanding pads to my spin mop, and that actually worked pretty well. Work smarter, not harder. Then I applied the Smart Primer to help it grip to the cement. And then I applied 2 layers of the Smart Base, sanding in between each layer. Then applied 2 layers of the Smart Liso, again sanding in between each layer. By the way, I went with the color C1 in a matte finish. I want to go with a warm, calming color, and this reminded me of sand by the ocean. Lastly, I applied 3 coats of the Smart Varnish, which is kind of like a top coat but for the floors. And wow, I still can't believe